Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove background from a video using Canva. First, create a video template in your Canva account. I am clicking here, create button, and now search video. I am getting the landscape video template, clicking here, and this is my video template here. And now I need to either upload my raw video, let's say talking head video, or I can get the video from elements. Click here and now click talking head and now click video section, and you will see a lot of video available here. And you need to remember that if you want to remove the background from a video, you need to have a very clear video with different background. Let's say I want to take this video and now adjust your video to your background, and now I want to remove the video background. So click on the video and click BG remover and wait a couple of minutes or seconds, and you will see your video is here without background. So my video is here without background. You can now also um, change the color of the background. Just click here background, and let's say I want to give this background color, and I can adjust the video from here. So I can also set a new background, or I can keep the video without background. Let's say I want to make the video without background or white, and now just adjust the video. So this way you can remove the background from a video. But one thing you should remember, that the background removing feature of a video is available only for Canva Pro member. If you are a Canva free user, then this feature is not available in your account. So that's it. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment very soon.